Happy Tuesday! You guessed it, another tutorial day, and today we are going to be talking about the horizontal figure eight into the pizza spin. So let's get into it. So if you remember in tutorial number 2, we talked about the reverse figure eight. Now you're going to want to know this move for the horizontal figure eight. It is basically the same move, it is just in a different plane. When you do the reverse figure eight, you'll notice that your elbow doesn't move too much. It rocks a little bit back and forth, but most of your movement is in the wrist. For the horizontal figure eight, you're going to want to bring that elbow up and down with the same wrist movements. You're just going to be doing it in the horizontal plane. Reverse figure eight, elbow not moving too much. And now this is the horizontal figure eight. So as you can tell, my elbow is going from down up with the same wrist movements. So with the reverse figure eight, you'll notice that your star is going from behind your arm to in front of your arm. With the horizontal figure eight, your star is going above and below your arm. So what would be behind your arm is now above your arm. So it's just a little change of movement where now I'm taking my elbow and bringing it more up and swinging the star towards me in a horizontal plane. Okay, so for the pizza toss, as you're doing your horizontal spin, you're gonna wanna wait until that star is above your arm to then release into the air. Now, when you're doing this, you're gonna wanna make sure that the star goes up and splays out flat so that you can get your hand under it and do the next move that you need to do. Take your hand and you're going to use the motion like you're twisting a light bulb, except you're going to kind of do it fast and you're going to pump your hand up and down like this as you try to get it to go. Now at first, it's going to look pretty sloppy. You're not going to be able to get the right spin. It's probably going to look like this. It's going to flop all over the place. You're going to feel like you're doing this. Very common. I like to try to put my hand in like this kind of shape as I'm doing it and doing that little light bulb twist. Another way you can do the pizza spin is by bringing your elbow up, having your hand underneath the star just like we were talking about, and you just push up while you rotate your arm to get it at least to start spinning if you wanted to practice just this move. Now, in order to do the finger spin, you have to get it going fast enough, and you want to plant your finger right in the center of the star and then start spinning your forearm at the same speed that your star is going. It's a lot easier if you have a star that has something in the center that helps you to see where you're placing your finger when you're spinning. So if you're just learning this move and you have a star that has like a circle in the center, maybe grab one of those. But once you get it spinning, put your finger under it and you don't want to poke up. I kind of like to come down with the star as it comes down with me. And then I start to go back up with my hand as I'm spinning. So just a view from below. So you'll notice my finger, my whole forearm is going in a circle. And eventually my finger will slowly spread further and further to the outside of the star, or then I have to reset. All right, there's the next tutorial for you. Hope that helped, and happy flowing.